Hi, I'm Alex from Contours Holidays, and this is my colleague Beth, who is preparing for her first walking holiday but isn't sure what to pack. There's no need to worry, however. The team here at Contours are on hand to make sure Beth and all of our customers know what they need to take with them on a Contours walking holiday. Step 1. Clothing. First, you need to make sure you have the right set of clothes to keep you warm, dry and comfortable on your travels. You will need waterproof walking boots, good quality socks, walking trousers, base layers made of polycotton or merino wool, fleece mid-layers for warmth, a suitable hat, gloves, and a waterproof jacket. Step 2. Equipment. The next step is to gather all the equipment you'll need. Inside your lined waterproof day pack, you should carry a map case, compass, whistle and torch, a first aid kit, a water bottle or hydration bladder, plenty of food, a mobile phone, and some spare cash. Depending on your personal preferences, you could also take a set of walking poles, a sitting mat, a camera, and a GPS device. Step 3. Holiday pack. Finally, perhaps the most important thing to remember to take with you is your Contours holiday pack, which contains the maps, guidebooks and route notes you'll need to navigate your chosen trail, as well as details of your accommodations and transfers. A full kit list is also included in your pack, along with lots of other useful information. Now Beth is fully packed and all kitted out, ready for an adventure in the great British countryside. Let's hope she hasn't forgotten anything.